got pannier racks that you're going to be able to put either the KTM hard bags on, or you can throw a set of soft panniers over the side. We really like that option. Please note that this KTM carrier and soft luggage rack does not come with instructions. It does come with all of the hardware necessary to mount these up, but it might take a little bit of trial and error. Take the exhaust side pannier rack, set it in place, and use the hardware that looks most appropriate. Once you get that right side mount in place, go ahead and move over to the left hand side. Once you've got those fasteners loosely installed, move back to the crossbar and attach it using the necessary hardware. Once you have all of the fasteners attached loosely onto the rack, and the rack is spaced appropriately in all of the various mounting areas, go ahead and begin tightening all of the hardware. Now your motorcycle is ready for the installation of KTM's side cases, left and right, or any throw-over saddlebags.